Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about basics of automotive electronic systems. Here we are going to have 4 subdivisions. There we will be discussing the safety features of automobile, any vehicle, not only car, not only two-wheeler, any vehicle requires safety and comfort, and at the same time entertainment and infotainment. Previously we had only entertainment, now we are moving ahead with the infotainment, that is with the internet. Slowly we are progressing. In the previous video we have been discussing about evolution of automotive electronics. Now we are discussing about the safety, infotainment, entertainment and other important features of an automobile, any vehicle. There are 4 things we have to discuss: operation of the vehicle, safety of the vehicle, comfort and entertainment. All these things are controlled mostly by electronics, even though it is of mechanical components, mechanical systems, but controlled by electronics, microcontrollers and sensors. So in the coming slides we are discussing about how the electronics play the crucial role, how the sensors, microcontrollers and other things are helping in achieving the 4 major areas in automobiles. Powertrain means you can easily understand it is a transmission between the engine and other power generating components facilitating the vehicle movement. These things will come under powertrain. Train means connecting. So to connect the engine, to oversee the engine transmission and associated power generating components and facilitating the movement of the vehicle. So we have studied in the automobile engineering that differential, propeller shaft, engine, all those things we have, that is called powertrain, that is called transmission system. The same thing here also we are discussing, but with the help of electronics, control, engine management system, electronic control unit, ECU, engine control unit, engine management system, electronic control unit, all the things are coming under automotive electronics. The systems like ignition system, exhaust after treatment, engine cooling, fuel injection system are coming under this powertrain electronics. Ignition, exhaust gas after treatment, that is catalytic converter. So by using the sensors we are measuring the oxygen level before and after the catalytic converter. In the exhaust pipe, in the manifold, in the muffler, we are fixing the catalytic converter to reduce the emissions. 5 gas analyzer we are using for measuring the emission level. We are using the catalytic converter, 2-way, 3-way catalytic converters to reduce the pollutants like oxides of nitrogen, particulate matter, hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide and other things. Important pollutants we are controlling by using the catalytic converter. So before and after the catalytic converter we are having the oxygen sensor which will measure the oxygen quantity. Based on that we will modify the flow of air rate. Airflow rate can be adjusted so that required quantity of oxygen can be supplied, required quantity of air can be supplied to the engine system so that we can have correct air fuel ratio. In hybrid and electric vehicles extends the application to the battery management system and starter generator. Second one is chassis electronics. This is another important part where we are keeping all the important components over the chassis. It is a load carrying important component, which is the major component in any vehicle. It is a vehicle dynamics, traction control system, anti-lock braking system, power sharing, electronic stability control. All those things will be coming under this chassis electronics. We have to control, precise control over all the systems like traction control. If the vehicle is deviating from the fixed track, immediately it will give the alert to the driver, so that the driver will get alert and he will come back to its original track. That is very important to avoid any accident. Anti-lock braking system, it is to avoid when the driver applies the brake. Sometimes the wheel will rotate and it will lead to the skidding. So maneuverability will become difficult. To control the vehicle will become difficult. To reduce that, we have anti-lock braking system. That is, the wheel will not get locked. When we apply sudden brake in unconditioned road, in the mud road, it will lead to the lead. It will lead to the skid. In ordinary vehicles, which is very important. So chassis electronics also consists of tire pressure monitoring system, suspension control system, sensors to monitor the chassis behavior, any buckling is taking place in the chassis, any sudden failure in the axle, tire busting, tire pressure monitoring, all those things will be taken care by chassis electronics. Vehicle behavior, it will give valuable feedback to the driver. It will give the alert message to the driver. It will give the red signal. So he will understand that something is happening. The driver may not be a technical person, but he will understand something is wrong. So we have to stop the vehicle and he will inform the service center and they will come and do the thorough check of all sensors and electronic modules. And third one is safety and security systems. Electronic systems are there in vehicles to ensure the protection of the occupants, that is passengers, and vehicle itself. It will, for example, seat belt. If the seat belt is not worn by the passenger and driver, it will give the beep sound. It will not stop until we wear the seat belt. That is an excellent electronic control over the safety of the driver as well as passenger. If the seat belt is worn, if anything happens, if any accident happens, the airbag will come out and protect. Otherwise, the airbag will not work. If the seat belt is not worn by the driver or passenger, the airbag will not open. It will not work. It will not protect the passengers and the drivers. So it is very important. It can be controlled by electronics. Nowadays, it is controlled by electronics. It will give the beep sound and it will give the alert. It is called advanced driver assistance systems. And we have the sophisticated safety system including adaptive cruise control, so we can fix the speed of the vehicle, so driver can relax and it will go on the fixed speed for 80, example 80 km per hour. He can fix that. In the highways, there will not be much traffic, so he can fix the target. He can fix the speed. And it will have the adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. If you are not following the lane, immediately it will give the warning. Collision detection system, it will give the beep sound. In the reverse also, it will give camera, by rear camera we can see that. And if you are going to hit, it will give the sound, so you have to move in forward direction. So all those things are there, which will be monitored and controlled by electronics. That is the third system. Fourth one is infotainment. Entertainment. Infotainment. Info means information. So the passengers, drivers should be kept informed about what is happening. Weather control, any accidents took place in the ahead, that is 1 kilometer ahead, any traffic jam, some unwanted situations. So in such situations, you will get information. And also it will provide some entertainment for the passengers. So they can watch the YouTube, they can play the songs, they can watch the movies, and it will provide the internet access, navigation systems, and we can have rear seat entertainment also. We can fix a TV for rear seat passengers. Many things are possible by infotainment system. We can have the Wi-Fi connectivity, real-time traffic updates, remote control capabilities for specific vehicle features we have. And all these things will lead to the significance and design development phases, ensuring the vehicle safety and traveling is enjoyable and prioritizing the safety. We can enjoy the traveling at the same time. We have to prioritize the safety. So these are the 4 important systems incorporated, accomplished with the help of electronics. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.